Improving basic physical infrastructure is fundamental to both economic growth and human development in Nigeria. Despite modest progress over the past decades, levels of access to electricity, roads, clean water, and improved sanitation have not kept pace with Nigeria's rapid population growth. In fact, rates of access to these basic forms of infrastructure in Nigeria tend to be lower than in its African income peers and lag far behind its global income peers. Less than 70% of Nigerians enjoy access to clean water, while almost 90% of the population of its global income peers do, and not even a third of Nigeria's population has access to improved sanitation. Current access levels in Pakistan and Indonesia, for example, are more than twice as high. On average, half of the roads in the world's lower middle-income countries are paved, compared to only about 16% in Nigeria. While 60% of Nigerians are connected to the electricity grid, this does not translate into reliable energy supply. Good roads and electricity supply directly boost economic activity and demand for goods and services, create jobs, and make economies more competitive. Meanwhile, better water and sanitation infrastructure improve human capital via its impact on health, education, equality, and empowerment, all fundamental components of economic productivity and growth. Over the next 23 years, Nigeria's population is expected to increase from about 190 million today to almost 330 million. This means that on the current trajectory, by 2040, more Nigerians will lack access to basic physical infrastructure than today. To avoid such a scenario, Nigeria needs to invest strategically in the physical foundations for prosperity. Using the International Futures Model, the African Futures Project explored 5 alternative approaches to improving infrastructure in Nigeria by 2040. Extending the grid, boosting road access, increasing access to improved sanitation, improving access to clean water, as well as a broad infrastructure push. Nigeria has historically prioritized investment in road and energy infrastructure. However, our analysis shows that the country receives bigger gains to human development and economic growth from investing in clean water and improved sanitation. The African Futures Project is a collaboration between the Institute for Security Studies and the Fredrick S. Pardee Center for International Futures at the University of Denver.